Hello and welcome to this quick guide on updating your Act version 20.1 to update 8. One thing to note before we start, you do need to have administrative user rights or the rights to install applications on your machine to be able to apply the update. You do also need to close Act and any Microsoft related products before applying the update. So for downloading this, you'd need to go to a web browser and type in act.com/en-uk. You go to the Customer Resources, the Download Center, Act Premium and Web version 20 product downloads, and there at the top is Update 8. What this will download is an exe file. It'll go into your downloads. If you right click that and run as administrator, it will start up the wizard. So in a moment it will ask me to close Internet Explorer since it's still open. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close that down, all the tabs. I'm going to open the Task Manager. Just make sure there's not anything running in the background that is Microsoft related. So there's no Word, Outlook or Excel or Internet Explorer. As we can see, there is actually a bit there. It's now gone. So from there, we'll close that down, hit OK. It will apply the updates. Once that gets to the end, it will bring up a command prompt box where it's just updating the web API. Don't worry too much about that. And there it is. And at the end you'll get this nice confirmation box just saying that the update is complete. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.